what's going on, guys? This is Desmond in the life and times of Desmond, and I am shooting a quick video today to help you guys out with your issues that you have with your Powerbeats Pro, guys. This is one of the most annoying things that happens, and it's a common problem with them. And don't worry, this is not a situation where you have to freak out that you need to go get your headphones replaced or anything. It's just something that happens. It should not happen considering how much money you spend for these freaking things. Luckily for me, because my wife actually worked for one of these major wireless providers, I was able to get mine 50% off. So I didn't pay $249 for mine. I paid $125 for mine, and I'd be really pissed if I paid a quarter of a band for some headphones. That this should not be a part of the problem, what you did, considering how much you spent for them, for this technology, guys. And what am I talking about? I am talking about when you're on the go and you go to use your headphones, you go to pull them out of your pod, your ridiculously huge pod, I may add, and you slip that headphone on and it does not connect. So how do you fix that issue, guys? And I know a lot of people have been going through this situation because it freaked me out the first time I went through it, but I figured it out. So I'm going to show you what you do. So let's say, for instance, you go to grab your headphones out, you take them out, you go to put them in, doesn't connect, but the right side does connect. Well, here's the thing. A lot of times when you sit them back in the pod, they're not all the way. If you hear that click just now, you just sit it in, and considering the fact that they have magnets on these connectors, you guys can see those right there. Those magnets they have magnets on those connectors, and they're pretty strong magnets. And I tried it out, guys. Matter of fact, let me show you right quick. Hold on right quick. And here's my Apple Pencil, guys. I guess you're saying, what's the purpose of the Apple Pencil? I'm going to show you how powerful these magnets are. So let me pull the top off my Apple Pencil, and I'm gonna just sit it in here right quick and watch. You see, it literally just grabs it Strong magnet, yeah. So why is it that if a magnet is this strong on the connectors, why when I sit my headphones in here, they don't fully connect? So you have to push them all the way on there, guys. So a lot of times what happens is you sit your headphones in there, they don't connect. So when you pull them out to use them, they just will not sync up. So how do you fix the problem? Basically what you do is you take your headphone, whichever headphone is the one that's not connecting, you put it back in the pod, okay? And there's a little black button right there. If you push on it, you see the lights go out, turn it back on, take your headphones out, put them on your ears, and go on about your day, guys. That is a really simple fix to this problem, so you don't have to go and swap your headphones out, and you can go on about your day. Now, I will say once again, it is very annoying considering the fact that the magnets for the connectors are super strong, and it should always connect, guys. But that is the quick fix on how to make that work. I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it didn't help you out, guys, make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell in the bottom right corner so that you can get my content every time I put new content out, guys. Anyhow, this is my quick how-to tip and trick on the Powerbeats Pro and how to fix it when they don't connect, yo. This is Desmond with In My Lifetime, not in my lifetime, but in the life and times of Desmond. I'm out. Peace. And bye-bye for now.